Welcome to another production by Mr. Toots 93.
Like it and subscribe, or you suck.
This is a review on the Foreign Legion's Famas spring bolt action rifle. As you can see, it comes with a silencer, 45 round magazine, a cheek rest, and a hop and a normal button.
I don't know what that does.
And a scope that you can put on, a sight that you can put on. It's kind of hard to see from here. And a strap holder, but it didn't even come with a strap, so I have no clue why it's there. And there's also a safety right here. You can pull it on and off.
Now the shooting test. If you can see, it's very easy to cock once you get the hang of it, and it's not even bolt action.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it is bolt action, but can I try to shoot it?
And I can also shoot a couple yards over if you see it in the air.
I shot the tree.
Okay, now my friend Mac is gonna try to shoot.
Because I'm awesome. Remember, subscribe. Oh, I shot the tree.
Oh, hit the tree.
Yay. I will shoot that. No, I'm just joking.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly
Whoa.
time. Peanut butter
What'd you shoot?
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
So that's what the shooting test. It's not, I still have a couple BBs in it, but it's just a good assessment.